In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a file using Google Drive. Whether you're trying to back up an important document, create a template for future use, or simply want to work on a version of a file without affecting the original, knowing how to duplicate files in Google Drive is a useful skill. So let's dive right in and explore this simple process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. You might be prompted to sign in, so make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Drive's homepage, displaying all your files and folders. It's a great digital space for storing and organizing your documents seamlessly. Now that you're on Google Drive, take a moment to locate the file you're planning to duplicate. Perhaps it's a document you're working on or a shared file from a colleague. Once you've found it, hovering your cursor over the file will bring up a few options. Next, look to the right of the file name and you'll notice 3 dots in a vertical line. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Click that and a drop-down menu will appear with a variety of options for your file. In this menu, you should see an option that says Make a Copy. Go ahead and click that. What happens next is Google Drive will automatically create a new copy of your file. It's that easy. You'll notice a brand new file appears in your list with Copy of prefixed to the original file name. This way, it's distinct and easy to identify which file is the duplicate. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully duplicated a file in Google Drive. The new file is independent of the original, meaning you can edit or share it without impacting the initial file. This feature is perfect for when you need to experiment with data or document structures without tampering with your original work. To ensure you maintain an organized drive, consider renaming the duplicated file to something more descriptive, especially if you plan on creating multiple copies in the future. Just click the file name and you'll have an option to rename it right there. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily create copies of your files in Google Drive whenever you need. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing in your Google Drive space.